All right, so should you fold your pizza? Is that the official way to eat it? What is white pizza? I'm not sure who runs this place. Historically, I always knew like some Russian guys who worked here. High noon, vodka soda. Whoa! Break into it. Let's see how it is. Steaming. So is this the best pizza in Ybor? All right, Amy, you ready?
Yep.
So where are we heading?
We are going to Ybor City.
Ybor City. And we're gonna get some pizza here at, is it like New York pizza, something like that?
I think Amici is our favorite.
All right, so I'm gonna give you a tour inside. You got the chandeliers with the Edison bulbs, look nice. And then over here, you can see all the pricing and stuff. A pepperoni pizza here, a full-size pepperoni pizza is $28. Italian pizza is $34. Calzones, $15. What do you think of calzones? So, fun stuff. It is the Christmas season, so they have Santa Claus. I'm not sure who runs this place. Historically, I always knew like some Russian guys who worked here, but it's probably some Italian. But their pizza is really good. They make a lot of their ingredients from scratch. We got maybe some tiramisu or something, some different cakes. Tiramisu down there. Very exciting. Make their own breads. So there's inside the kitchen. Some chopped tomatoes. They must go through some tomatoes, huh? All right, so I got a piece of this guy right here. Amy, what did you get? Okay, we're gonna check it out.
White pizza without avocado.
What is white pizza?
I don't know. It's good.
What is white pizza? What is that officially?
White pizza?
Yes.
It has ricotta, mozzarella, parmesan, no red sauce, and I'm sure you know.
Yeah, no. So ricotta, parmesan, and no red sauce. What was the other one? Mozzarella, of course. This looks good too. What do you think this one is?
Maybe barbecue chicken?
Barbecue with bacon and chicken?
Yeah, and it's like a buffalo chicken.
Oh, buffalo chicken. Oh, that does look good. So they make good stuff here. That one looks like it's got ranch on it, like chicken bacon ranch. All right, so, and this one, look at this beast. It's like a double decker. Can you see that?
That's insane.
That is nice.
Look at all the bacon.
I didn't know it was ready.
Yeah, I know. I was like, hurry.
Hurry. I didn't know. I was just showing off the kitchen. All right, break into it. Let's see how it is.
Yeah, okay. This is so big.
Did you get a Celsius? High noon, vodka soda. Whoa.
It's pretty delicious.
All right, this looks pretty cool. That is a big slice too. Thumbnail. Do the thumbnail. Ah, there it is. No, that does look good. It looks hot. Is it hot? It's steaming. Did they put much cheese on there? Jeez. So then mine, they put some meat on here. All right, I'm gonna ask you to hold this. We're gonna switch over. Ready? It's still going.
Boom.
All right, I'm gonna do my thumbnail face. We'll see which one gets used. Ready?
Nice. Ooh.
It was so good. All right,
Delicious.
good stuff. All right, so folding your pizza. That's gonna be controversial because we didn't fold it first.
No, I think you gotta fold it at a certain point. Like maybe the first slice you can get in, like the first bite, but by then you gotta fold it.
Yeah, you gotta fold it, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so I'll try folding. See if we can do this one-handed.
Yeah.
Oh, that is good stuff right there. So is this the best pizza in Ybor?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's really good. There's like 3 places that do by the slice.
It's fine.
Yeah.
If if you're out late and that's all you got in a pen, it'll work.
But
If
do
you
Amici?
can't do Amici, you need to get to do Amici.
Do Amici's pretty good. So if you're in Tampa and you're walking through the Ybor district, stop in for a slice at Do Amici. That's worth it. It's worth a tourist stop, right? Gotcha.